quote this stuff here by Mineral 80. No. Oh, I thought you were opening it. So I never really do unboxing videos, but I'm gonna do one today. I got this box from Amazon Luxury Beauty, and thanks to our friends at Fat Kids Deal, it was a steal. Thank you, dear. Oh, look at this. I got a little note here. Yeah. So let's see what's in it. A little help there, helper. Thank you. Oh, this is cool. Look at all these cool little samples. Viva La Rose from Juicy Couture. Okay, that's cool. Little perfume sample. Got another perfume sample. Euphoria. Okay, cool. What's this? Shy Silk Fusion for hair and skin. All right, cool. What's this? PCA Skin Collagen Hydrator. I probably need that. What is this? UV Moisturizing Skin Cream. Okay, great. Helper, can you open whatever's in this little blind box? What is this? Bioderm something or other. Okay, cool. Elizabeth Arden White Tea. I hope it doesn't smell like white diamonds. I'm not trying to smell like grandma. Okay, what's this? Liasatani. Oh, it's a cream. Okay, great. Oh, here's what was in the blind box. Derma Blend Loose Setting Powder. Ooh, now that I definitely need. Okay. Anti-Puff Eye Cream. I don't really have a puffy eye problem, but I'll try it out. Ooh, lemon and sage. I like those scents. Okay, cool. What is this? Oblafica Professional Seaberry Hair Mask. Oh, it's for medium and coarse hair. Shout out to my sisters. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that. What is this? Cycloplast Balm, Soothing Repairing Balm. What does it repair though? I'll have to check that out. Probably for the skin. What's this here? Don't just eat your vitamins, see the difference. Okay. What's this? La Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. Ooh, I'm gonna have to, for normal to dry skin, I might give this to the mini. She is about her skincare. What is this? Cleansing Complex, Innovative Skincare. That's dope. All right, cool. What is this? This is, oops. Sorry, y'all. Strivectin Eye Cream. Intensive Eye Concentrate for Wrinkles. The mini definitely don't need that. I don't really need it either because I don't have wrinkles, but okay. And what is this? Booster quote this stuff here by Mineral 80. No. Oh, I thought you were opening it. No, leave it on there. Leave it on there. Because I want to read the stuff. For a more vibrant, healthy glow. So that is what was in the box. Thank you to Fat Kid Deals. If you have Amazon Prime, this whole box of goodies was, are you ready? A whole $1. So I'm gonna look at the dates and things on these products to make sure they are cool and nothing is expired, but it smells good. And this I'm really anxious to try because I need this desperately. All right, y'all. Tomorrow I'm gonna have another box that I got courtesy of Fat Kid Deals. So cool. Stay tuned.